Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR Magic7 Pro, and today I will show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you will want to open up your settings. Next, scroll all the way down to System and Update, and then select Reset and Reset Phone. This will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like music, photos, and user data. Now, I don't have anything here that I would like to preserve, so I'm gonna jump to the next page. But if you also want to preserve something, you can also select Reset Phone, and you have the option to back it up right here. I do want to warn you though, this backup is being done strictly to the HONOR cloud. So if you're backing it up because you got a new device, if said the new device isn't another HONOR, you will not have access to this backup. Therefore, the data will be kind of inaccessible to you. So in these situations, you might want to manually back it up to, for instance, your computer. Now, like I mentioned, nothing here for me to back up, so I'm going to select Reset, and this will now begin factory resetting the device. This process will take about a minute or two to finish up, and once it's completed, I'll be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible on my phone. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.